Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing you about risk and reward management. So this is the topic that my mentor teach me when I start to learn trading. Okay, so what is the risk? Actually, this before I say what is the risk, also most over 95% of the traders are losing money in trading because they don't follow proper risk and reward ratio of risk and reward management. That I would like to highlight. Okay, so what is risk and reward? What is the risk? The risk is you have to how much money you are willing to lose for one trade. Okay, and the reward is how much money you are expecting to get if you win that trade. So uh, in trading, if you're not willing to risk money, you will not get reward. It's very simple. No risk, no reward. So vice versa, if you are risking too much, too high, you will get higher reward. You will get more higher reward in return. You might get it, but your risk will be become too much so risky. Okay, and here I would like to remind all of you guys that to risk only the amount that you can afford to lose. Okay, remember that only risk the amount that you can afford to lose. So if you have $100 and that $100 is your living cost, like you have to pay your monthly rent or monthly food and beverage for your survival. For that $100 you have to use it, so don't risk that amount. That is not risk-free money for you. Let's say if you lost that $100, it's okay, that nothing will happen, nothing serious, not no serious thing will happen to you. If your situation is like that, it's okay, you should risk that $100. So this is the basic fundamental things. Okay, so I will show you what is. By the way, after this topic, I'm gonna be sharing you about the live market. You know, the Bitcoin is crashed last 2 days ago, so I would like to share my opinion on the live market as well. But I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy or sell for the certain market or certain price. I'm just sharing my opinion, how I'm doing technical analysis as a beginner. I just want to share my point of view on the market. That's it. So stick to the end. After this topic I finish sharing, I will be doing analysis also. So here I will tell you why we are following the risk and reward management. Okay, so let's say you have $1,000. Okay, $1,000 capital and you want to do trading. So most trader, what they will do, they might risk that $1,000 in one trade, single trade. That is totally wrong. Okay, so if you have $1,000, you should divide into 10 trade. You should trade 10 trade with proper technical, proper psychology. Okay, so it will be $100 per trade. So now we will be trading 10 trade. I'll write it here. Trade number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So For sure, you will not win all this 10 trade. You will get lost in some trade, you will get win in some trade. Okay, so I'm gonna be saying this trade you will lose. So we are risking we are risking 1R, which is equal to $100 per trade. So all these 10 trade we have equal amount of 1R we are risking. Okay, so if we lose, we will if we lose one trade, we will lose 1R, which is $100. But if our risk and reward ratio, the risk and reward ratio we will be following is 1:2 minimum. Okay, so it will be like if we are risking 1R, we will be getting 2R in return. Okay, so keep it mind, keep that one in mind. So we, as I said earlier, we will be losing this trade. We will lose this trade. We will lose this trade. So here's the thing: you lost the first trade, you lost the second trade, and you lost the third trade. And here's the thing: you will start to feel like frustrated, emotionally unacceptable, emotional pain, suffer. You will feel so many various kinds of feeling you will experience. Okay, if you are losing that much trade, and let's say you will lose this one also. Now you are studying trade, but you already lost 4 trade, so you will see the darkness in front of you. You will start to feel lost. Okay, that is normal for a trader. We will suffer this kind of emotion. This is normal for us. Okay, keep in mind. And finally, we will win this one. Okay, so let's say we get motivation back, and we did some analysis, and we win this one also. But unluckily, we will lost this, because good things don't last. Okay, so another one, we will win this one. And unfortunately, we will lose this trade. But at the end, luckily, we will win this one. So this is our 10 trade. So as you can see, the red colors are the trade that we lost, and the blue colors are the trade that we won. So let's count how much we lost and how much we get. So all the trade, all the red color where we lost 1R, 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 1R. So total how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We lost 6R total, which is $600 total. Okay, and according to our risk and reward ratio, every trade we won, we will get 2R. Okay, 2R, 2R, 2R. So 2, 4, 6, 8. We will get 8R in return, which is $800. So if you do the math, we will get profit $200. So here's very simple, guys. You trade 10 trade, and you can lose 6 trade. not even half. Okay, more than half you can lose. You only need 4 trade to get profit. So this is basically all of the risk and reward ratio, risk and reward management. Okay, so if you follow that 1:2, you will get profit eventually. Just follow this way. Okay, so this is what I would like to share. And here you can see if your risk and reward ratio is 1:1, even if you win 5 trade, you will still not get the profit because it will be like equal. You lost 5 trade, you won 5 trade, and you will still not get profit. But if your risk and reward ratio is 1:2, you just need 4 trade to win, and you will get the profit. If your risk and reward ratio is 1:3, you just need 3 trade to win out of 10 trade. Okay, out of 10 trade, you just need 3 trade, which is not too much. You can get that 3 win if you do proper technical analysis, risk and reward management, and the psychology. Okay, so if your risk and reward ratio is 1:5, you just need 2 trade, which is so. As my experience, we are all of our trades are not only 1:2. Some trade I can get 5 or 6 hour profit. Some trade I will get 3 or 4 hour profit. So that is more than 1:2, 2 hour profit, which is my basic minimum risk and reward ratio. So this is what I tell you. This area will be your risk area, and this area will be your reward area. So if you are risking 1 hour, you should get at least 2 hour or 3 hour minimum. Okay, these are the saying of some legend traders. So here Paul Tudor Jones says the key to long-term survival is to never risk too much on one single trade. Like I said before, if you have $1,000, don't risk that $1,000 on one single trade. You can divide into 100 and you can trade that trade. Instead of losing one trade on one time, you can lose 6 trade, and you just need 4 trade to win to get the profit. And another thing is, I'm always thinking about losing money rather than making money. Yes, protect your capital first. That is number 1 rule, visit fundamental rule. Always protect your money. Okay, and risk management is the most important thing to be well understood. So these are some market wizard and legendary sayings. So I just want to share with this. And this 1 rule. If your risk and reward ratio is less than 2, if you calculate it, when you are doing a trading, calculate risk and reward ratio before you enter a trade. And then if your risk and reward ratio is less than 1:2, don't trade, skip. Wait for a better setup. So patience is the key. You have to be patient. You have to have mindset to skip if the setup is not good enough. Like if your setup is not 1:2, you should have the courage to skip the trade. Most trader, including me, still not have the enough courage to skip the trade. Okay, so when I see the market, if the market is going up or going down, I want to enter. I want to do trading. That is very, how can I say? That is very risky. uh, to enter this kind of situation without a proper risk and reward ratio and psychology. Okay, that's it for my risk and reward ratio, and I'll be sharing about the live market analysis. So let's go to the live market. Here these are my watch list. So I'll be doing Bitcoin. Okay, for the Bitcoin, the technique I will be using is horizontal support and resistance. Okay, so I will draw the resistance line here. I will draw the resistance line here. So for the Bitcoin, the price is ranging in this zone. The sellers are the sellers are selling from this area, and the buyers are trying to buy from this area. So previously, when the buyer trying to buy from this area, the price goes up to this zone. So now the seller, they push back the price to this zone. So we will be waiting. We will be waiting for the buyers to how they will respond. We will look how the buyers will respond. If the buyers trying to buy back from this zone, the price could go back into this level again, but it will not arrive tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. It will take time. You can see the price start to buy, the buyers start to buy from here. It is on March, and the price when it get to the top is on after May. So 1.5 month, maybe 1 month, 1.5 month, 2 months, maybe some even more. Maybe it might longer than this time. Okay, so what we are looking is the buyer, how they will react on this certain level. Now the price is already arrived here, so we will look the buyer if they can hold this level or not. If they cannot hold this level, the price will go down to 6,000 6k area, 60k, sorry, 60k area, and after that the buyers, they will test again this level. So if this level break down, the Bitcoin probably will go to, let's see how it can go. If the price goes down, it might go to 40k. Okay, so I'm not saying that the Bitcoin will crash into. I'm not saying the Bitcoin will crash into this level, 42k. I am just saying the technical, what I'm seeing the market. Okay, so this day it is very critical for the buyers to hold this level. So we will look for the buyers, if especially tonight, if they can hold this, level or no. So if they can close the candle with hammer, a valid hammer with a very lower upper wick, if they can close this with this one, yeah, we might have the chance to, we might have the opportunity to do the buying. So let's say if it close, the candle close tonight with hammer, so we will put our entry at 50% of this candle, and we will put our SL below this candle, and we will take 2 or 3R as a reward. Okay, so we can do the trading like this. I am not let's say again, I'm not telling you to trade now. I am not even sure that I will take this trade or no. Even if I see the calendar, I might not take the trade. I'm just sharing how we can do the trading, how we can do the analysis, how we can expect the market. Will it goes up or will it go down? Okay. So another market we will be going is Ethereum. Let's go. Ethereum, if I have to draw the line, I will draw the line here and I will draw the line here. And it here, like not like Bitcoin, Bitcoin you can see it is trying to break down in this level. But Ethereum, it's already break down. It's critical support level. It already break down. So what he is trying to do is earlier than Bitcoin. Let's say Bitcoin is the leading one, but in this market, in this Ethereum is earlier than Bitcoin. It's already breaking down. Okay, so for the Ethereum also, if the Bitcoin crash to 42K, like I said before, it might also go the same. It might also go the same to 1011, 12K. Sorry, 1.2K. It might go. I don't know. Maybe it will, maybe it will not. So the market will decide whether it will go or it will not go. So the market is always right. I'm just looking for the probabilities. And this Solana, also the same. It already break down its critical support level. So it range from this area to this area to this area to this area. So this is the ranging area. And here it break down this ranging area. So according to all the technicals, this ranging area, we call it box. If this box area break down, it will go the equal amount below or up. The equal amount, it will go down or goes up. Okay, so I mean, sorry, not the equal amount, the equal distance. It will go down or goes up. If this area break down from here, it will goes up the equal distance. Now we could expect to go to this level, which is 56 or 52 area. Okay, this is for Solana, and I don't know which crypto you guys are focusing and which technical you are using to trade, but these are my analysis and these are the technical that I'm using. If you have any other point of view for the market, you can comment below and we will see. We can discuss upon the market. So for this one, I just want to share for this one. This is not the ideal setup, but this is the one that I take risk. Okay. Last day. Okay. So this is the one. Okay. Last day when I saw this bearish candle, the red color candle. Wait, I'll show you again. When I saw this red color candle, I thought that it is going to retrace. So I take the risk and I put my entry. I put my entry here in this level, and I put my stop loss here, and I took my TP here. I placed my TP here, but until now it still not hit the TP because it is making me nervous because as you know, I'm a beginner, so the price could go back to from this level. So I'm a little bit nervous right now. I'm so scared that it will not hit my TP, but still I will not close manually. This is my commitment, so I will not close the trade manually. I will be waiting to hit my TP. So I just want to share this trade. The only ongoing trade that I have right now, and it is giving me this much amount of R, as you can see here. I will show. So okay guys, that's it for today, and I want to say thank you for each and every one of you for watching my YouTube video. I'm trying my best to share my experience, and I hope my videos will make you productive on your trading journey. It will make you benefit for your trading journey. And when I start to learn trading, I couldn't find a very realistic YouTube channel to learn. So I saw the gap, and I know it might be very difficult for you to learn alone without a proper mentor, without a proper coach. For me, luckily, I found my mentor, and I'm still learning myself also. So I would like to encourage you, keep it up, and let's go to this journey together. Thank you guys. See you next week.